So finally, they've added back this feature that they've removed in the past. Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. Today, you're gonna see some hidden feature to improve your experience with Apple Watch. So in my case, I have an Apple Watch Series 8, but these features are just available and compatible with all Apple Watches. But let's start with the video. So first of all, did you already know that you can just get your watch close to your mouth and speak and activate the assistant? Just 5 minutes timer. And like this, I can easily enable the timer. And it works pretty much with everything that you can ask to Siri. To enable this, just go into your settings, go into Siri, of course, right here, and then just enable raise to speak. So you have just to raise your wrist and speak close to the watch, and Siri will answer to your questions. A suggestion, just disable the listen for the word, because you can always activate this function by talking to your watch, or maybe just holding the crown like this and Siri will be activated. You will also save some battery. Then another feature, did you already know that you can skip the countdown timer before the workout? So for example, I can click this workout right here. I can activate this workout and you can see that the timer is counting down, of course, like always. But let me stop this. If I click on this and I want to skip the timer, I just click on ready and the workout will start immediately. Then another tip, as you can see right here on the top, I have a little monitor icon and that is my focus mode. I have activated the focus mode on work mode and I have it also on my iPhone like this. You can see that says work mode and I have different lock screen and different stuff, of course. And also I have this mode activated on my MacBook. So make sure to have your focus mode all synced over all your devices. Just go into settings, of course, just go into focus and then mirror my iPhone. So if you enable a focus mode on the iPhone, it will mirror, of course, on the Apple Watch. Also, if you are syncing your focus mode on the iPhone and on the Apple Watch, you can also choose a different watch face to enable with this focus mode. So for example, if I want this watch face in this focus mode, I'm just selecting this one and then hit done. So you can see that I have a specific and customized watch face for this work focus mode. Then don't forget to use Apple Pay because it is so convenient. I use it really every time. And also I use it for plane or train tickets. For example, I have right here just expired passes. For example, this is the flight with Air France to go in Paris, or maybe this train ticket. Very handy because you have it always on your wrist. Then you probably already know that you can find your iPhone by tapping into Find My iPhone here. And so my phone will ring, of course, but there is an hidden feature with this function. And if I put my iPhone right here, and if I hold on this Find My iPhone icon, it will also use the flashlight to find my phone, maybe if I lost it in the dark. Very useful in my opinion. Of course, one of the most useful feature on the Apple Watch, it is to use it as a remote for the camera app. So I can click on the camera app right here and it will automatically connect to my iPhone. And I can do pretty much anything that I can do with my iPhone. I can also switch to my front camera, of course, and you can use your Apple Watch as a viewfinder to shoot your photos. Very useful. You can also zoom in and zoom out by just scrolling on your crown. Very useful. Another tip that I can give you is to use your Apple Watch as an alarm, because the alarm on the Apple Watch is very subtle, and usually when it rings in the morning, you are the only one who can hear it. Personally, I find it very useful because if you sleep with another person, you will be the only one who can hear this alarm, mostly because it is very quiet and also because it vibrates on your wrist. You will wake up without waking up anybody else. Another useful feature, if you haven't enabled yet, it is the charging reminders. So just go into settings and then just go into sleep right here. and then activate charging reminders right here, because as it says right here below, Apple Watch can remind you to charge before the bedtime and notify you when it's fully charged. So based on your habits, your Apple Watch will remind you when you have to recharge your Apple Watch before going to bed. So for the next morning, the Apple Watch will be ready to go. Very, very useful. Another very, very useful tip that I use pretty much every day, it is the option to unlock your Mac with your Apple Watch. You don't have to do nothing, just wear your Apple Watch on your wrist, and when you open your Mac, it will be unlocked automatically. Very, very convenient. But you have to enable this feature from your Mac. And then the last feature that I can show you, it is the swipe to change watch faces. Because we had this in the previous updates, but in the latest updates, they removed the possibility to swipe to change watch faces. I don't know why. It's been always there, pretty much on every Apple Watch and also in every smartwatches. So you just swipe to change your watch faces, but finally they bring us back this feature. So if you want to customize your Apple Watch without going into watch faces or settings or whatever, just swipe to change your watch face. Very, very convenient. You have now 10 useful tips to improve your experience with Apple Watch. I hope you found this video useful. If that was the case, just leave a like down below, because I mean, it's free. And also if you have other tips or tricks or hidden feature about the Apple Watch, just type it down below in the comments. I will be happy to read some more useful feature about this device. Also, remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Just click the red button down below. And as always, thank you a lot for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.